Virtual Programmer Hiroki Sakawa des. So, in the previous video, I have explaining about repairing a mouse click button. So today, we're gonna practice that one into a real project. How hard it can be? Is that really so stressful by doing it? Well, different than you, different than me. Not sure about that, but let's try it. First, we have to prepare our PCB like I'm holding it here. So we're going to heating up two parts of the USB mouse click button. One is here and the other one is here. By heating up both of the pin connector at the same time, and in the other one we unplug by force the mouse click button. Let's try it. So like this we're gonna heating up. And we unplug from the other side. There you go. Let's move the PCB out. This is what we're going to repair. Did you see there's two different part of the case? One that have a gray color maybe, and the other one have a black color. So we're going to unlock this one into different two parts. But we have to keep click button with the red color stay at the same position with the case that have black color with the duct tape. Yeah, let's do that like this, so it will be at the same position when we unlock the black case from the gray one. Let's unlock this. This is a simple needle that we're going to use to unlock it. There you go, one done. Let's try the other side. Little bit hard. Not on this one. Maybe the other side. There you go. Now it was unlocked part of the side, so we can see the inside. Not this one. There you go. This is what it should look like. Put to the original PCB. Now, did you see that? This is have three different pins. One on the top that was lock protection. Below it that looks so long with the yellow color, that is the spring for the click button, and something hiding on the bottom was the click detection that was on the center of the pin output. And the last one that we're going to soldering into it, that was on the side that I will show it later. See, this is on the bottom. This is the input detection of the click button. And let's see more upside of it. This one is the spring that was a little bit shaking when you press it. That shaking was really annoying because the click detection will be not working correctly when it was shaking. When you just randomly using the click button, I'm pretty sure you have no idea that the click button sometimes not working correctly, except you're using it for a gaming. So we're gonna heating up this part and adding some flux core wire into this one. When it's connecting correctly, you will be see no error anymore on the click detection. So let's do it. Preparing your soldering iron first. Maybe let that one stay warm for a few minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes before we using it. See? So this is working. Now it was connected and never gonna be shaking anymore. Now let's put the casing back. So we carefully testing this one. Now it doesn't shaking, so it's carefully working. Now watch carefully. The area that we soldering before must be nearby the red click button when we put the casing back. If you flip it, the click button will be not working. So be careful about that. Let's do this. There you go. Now it's look like in here. So unlock the duct tape. Ah, it's working. The click button. Let's test thing out. Did we soldering it correctly or not? So the neutral bottom will be not connected. I mean, will be not active when we press the click button. And the input click detection to the output on the sender, that should be connected when we press the click button. So let's try this out. Oh, it doesn't move. See, it doesn't move. The other side, it doesn't move. Now, Now it's moving. So one side and the sender was connected when we press the click button, and the other side is not. So it's working correctly now. Let's put this one back to the PCB and heating up both of the side of the pin. This one and the other one. There you go. So now it was ready to be connected on our PC. Try to figuring out did the click button working again or not. So thanks for watching. Stay subscribed for more video, okay?